The remote start feature on your 2019-2022 GMC Sierra allows you to start the engine from outside the vehicle to preheat or cool the cabin. It uses radio frequency signals from the key fob, which must be within 200 to 300 feet of the vehicle for optimal performance. Make sure your vehicle is in park, the hood is closed, and you have sufficient fuel, at least 1/4 tank for diesel models. The system also integrates with the vehicle's immobilizer for anti-theft protection. To activate remote start, first press the lock button on the key fob once if the doors are unlocked. Then, immediately press and hold the remote start button, usually marked with an arrow circling a key or engine icon, for about 4 seconds. You'll see the parking lights flash twice and hear the engine start. Climate control will activate based on your previous settings. To stop the remote start, press and hold the remote start button again, or simply unlock and enter the vehicle. Important considerations: range can be reduced by heavy rain or metal structures. Also be aware of legal restrictions, as remote start is banned in some areas due to emissions regulations. Check your local laws.